love when you sing. I love when you sing. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Faye. Were you calling to your mama? Your mommy's here. Yeah, you were calling out to your mommy. Look at these big ears. Big, 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 big ears. Pretty girl.
I know. Okay, she gets all excited. You ready? Let's see if we can make her bray again.
Realize the trick?
Here, it's gonna come again. She's getting ready. Here it goes. Who was that?
Are you missing your pals? Are you missing donkey
Talks your
powder?
language. Somebody finally speaks your language. Hilarious. I play her video and then she prays to it. She's like,
Do you want to try
"Sir,
one more time? Let's see
someone
if she does it
speaks
again.
my
Let's
language."
see if she realizes the trick.
Oh, she heard it.
Here we go. She's getting ready. She goes to the corner.
Just gets loud.
I got it finally.